To show you guys this massage machine, Brand sent it to me to make a video. So you can see this is really cool unit. It has removable socks here. You can see you can easily remove this and wash it, so you won't have something continuously bad smelling. So that is really cool. You can easily remove and put it back, and it has velcro from this side, from the front, and there's another one all the way over there. So works really well. Like, it says zipper, you can see those zipper. You would be able to just take it out and just put it back once you are done. Very easy operation. You have a bunch of controllers here. You have the rollers over here. You can completely turn off the roller, and you can go all the way up to high, to low, and to nothing. And similarly, same thing for the air pressure. You can turn it off or go from low to high. That is cool. And you have vibrations, same thing. You can turn it off and on. And over here you have two different level of the heating. You can see when it's blue, it is for low. Once it's red, it is high. You can also turn it off completely, and you can see it has this heater inside. You can see as the light is on, you will be able to see that it is on. And you can see the rollers, it just rotates really nice. You can see feels really good once you place your feet. It just I really like the compression once you put it all the way high. It has pretty nice compression. It just kind of squeeze your feet, so that is really cool and very easy. You can easily move from room to room. Doesn't take much space, and the cable length is kind of decent, around like close to 6 feet, I would say, and works really well and has a lot of room. If even if you have larger foot, if you know somebody has bigger feet, you can easily give them as a gift. So works really well. You can see has lots of room. I am about like 9.5, and this just has a lot of room still, even on the front, so it can go all the way. So overall, really nice, very cool unit. I hope you guys found this useful.